Hey everyone, how's it going? I don't know about you, but I'm definitely excited for the new Venom vs. Carnage movie. I cannot wait until it comes out. So in honor of the movie, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw a really cool face-up drawing of Venom vs. Carnage. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with this, let's begin with Carnage, and we're going to put him over here. So the first thing we want to do is start with his eye. I'm going to begin by making a little line that's just going to come down like this with a curve. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up and then come back down. We'll make a little line that's going to go up and it's going to squiggle up and down. Then it's going to come way up here with a point. Then we're going to come up and down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and it's going to come in. We're going to go down and it's going to come up to a point and then down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. I'm going to curve it up in here. And then right here, I'll make a little line that's going to come down. And another one's going to come down. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to go up like this. See, it's kind of wavy and squiggly. Then I'm going to come down, and I'm going to go down like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to curve it back around. And I'm going to bring this line over and up. And I'm going to curve it up here. Next, I'm going to start by drawing this line up. We're going to bring it right to about here. And then I'm going to start here by making a little kind of wavy, kind of squiggly line that comes to a point, and then it's going to come back down for part of Carnage's tentacles. Then we'll draw another one that comes down. And then I'll make another line that's going to kind of do the same thing. I'll make a line that's going to come down, and it's going to come to here. We'll add a couple little curved lines, and a little line that's going to come over to here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and that's just going to come up here for the neck. Now, right in here, I'm going to draw a long line that's going to come down. Then we're going to draw some kind of small, kind of jagged teeth everywhere. So we're just going to kind of put these kind of small, jagged teeth. Then we're going to do a few bigger ones down here, and then just kind of do that same jagged teeth look. I'm going to add some quick little curved lines in here. And I'm just going to come in here and add a couple little kind of broken, curvy lines right around the lips. I want to make some of these extra little lines kind of coming back here. And a couple little extra lines kind of right around some of these little curved spots. Put a line or two here. And just a couple more kind of long broken lines in some different spots here. We'll also add a couple more little lines. And a couple more little lines right around here. Now, starting over here, we want to add Venom. So once again, we're going to start with his eye. So I'm going to begin by just drawing a line that's going to kind of line up with Carnage's, and it's going to curve up. Then I'm going to kind of curve this line down and over. Make a little point and go up. And another little point and go up. Make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to curve. I'll make another little line that's going to come up to a point and then down. It's going to curve it up and down, and then up and down. And then I'm going to bring it right to about here. Starting here, I'm going to add just a little line that's going to go out and in. And I'll do another one here. Then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go out. It's going to come back, and it's going to come right up here. We're going to curve it back. And I'm going to bring it down and out to here. Next, I'm going to curve this line down and then bring it back. And I'll make a line that's going to come down, and it's going to go up and then around for his jaw. Starting here, I'm going to add a little curved line down. And then I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down. We're just going to make this kind of wavy back here for his gums. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go up and then make a little line that's going to come back here. Then we want to make his teeth. He's going to have some long, sharp, pointy, kind of jagged teeth going all over the place. I'm going to put some in front of others, some behind, but we're just going to kind of fill up his mouth with long, sharp teeth. Then we're going to do the same on the bottom. Let's just make some really long, kind of sharp, pointed teeth behind and in front of others. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to come back here. And it's just going to come down. I'm going to add a little line here. And a line's going to come up. Next, we're going to make a little line that's going to come out. And I'm making a little line that's going to come up to here. And a little line that's going to come down. Make him a little bit kind of more solid than Carnage is. Now, starting here, I also want to make Venom's kind of crazy long tongue. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to make a long line. It's just going to go out. It's going to come down to here. Just kind of curves around with the hook. And we're going to make a point, and we're just going to make it get bigger and bigger until it comes back here. Then I'm going to put a crazy tongue on Carnage. It's going to be a little smaller, but I'm just going to make a little kind of wavy line. We're going to make it a little bit smaller and then just kind of make it come back to here. Then I want to add a couple more kind of crazy little tentacle shapes coming out here. Now I want to come in here and add some details onto Venom. I'm going to go and just kind of add a little curved line onto here, just show some details. And then maybe a little broken line or two on here. I'm going to make some little broken lines kind of right around here. And a little broken line or two right by the head. Put a couple little curved lines in here. And I'm going to put a couple little lines right around the eye. Make a couple little curved lines coming up here by his neck. And we're just going to put a couple little curved lines around here by his mouth. A few more little lines. Might add a couple little curved lines onto this little tentacle here. And maybe some onto here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Venom versus Carnage kind of close-up view of the faces. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.